Today I'm going to share a nuska with you which will help you out with your tanning. It's going to act as a scrub and it's going to give you that glow. So right now I'm going to share with you a DIY pack which is inspired by हमारे नानी दादी के जो नुस्खे होते थे, and that's going to give you a nice glow, that's going to act as a scrub, and it's going to help you with your tanning also. So come with me. Ta-da! So, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा था देसी नुस्खों से इंस्पायर्ड हम फेस पैक बनाएंगे. और बाय द वे मुझे ऐसे खाना खजाना वाली फील आ रही है कि हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा बेसन. वैसे अच्छा नहीं वे, बट आई एम गोना टॉक नॉर्मली. सो आप बेसन डाल सकते हैं. बेसन के साथ आपको 1 टीस्पून डालना है हल्दी, विच इज़ एंटी बैक्टीरियल. सो अगर आपके एक्ने होते हैं, यू नो, जितना भी इन्फेक्शन है आपकी स्किन में, दैट्स गोना हेल्प यू विद दैट. बेसन इज़ रियली गुड फॉर द glow and it is really good for tanning. So बेसन is there, हल्दी is there. हम कुछ बादाम लेंगे, छील भी कर सकते हैं, छिलकों के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, बट भीगे हुए बादाम लीजिए एंड उसको आपको कूटना है एंड यू नीड टू मेक अ नाइस पेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. सो जब आप इसको कूट लेंगे तो बेसिकली पाउडर हमने, आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने बादाम का पाउडर इस बेसन एंड हल्दी के मिक्सचर में मिक्स किया है. So badam is also really good for your glow. It gives you that kind of moisture. आपकी dry नहीं करता है वो skin, and good for the tanning as well. We're gonna add a little bit of milk so that वो एक paste की form में आ जाए. And we're just gonna mix it through, like एक अच्छा सा paste बन जाए. थोड़ा सा thick consistency उसकी होनी चाहिए, like as you can see. यहाँ पे डरिएगा मत कि येलो येलो हो जाएगा, वो येलो येलो निकल जाता है, हल्दी से हल्का सा आता है, देन ऑफ कोर्स इट जस्ट गोज अवे. सो ये मत करना कि इसके बाद आप अपना फेस वॉश कर रहे हैं, इट्स गोना टेक अवे ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम योर फेस जो आपने इतना कंडीशन किया था. दैट्स गोना बी रियली बैड फॉर इट. एंड द मैजिक इंग्रेडिएंट इज केसर. सो फ्यू strands of केसर we're gonna put into this. And this is again really good for your acne, and it's amazing for glow. You're gonna see the difference like how. And just mix it through, and इसको आप 15 minutes के लिए अपने फेस पे लगा सकते हैं. एंड 15-20 minutes बाद आपको जैसे फील होता है, उसके बाद आप इसे नॉर्मली पानी से मत धोइएगा, या तो आप दूध से वॉश करिएगा या इसको स्क्रब की तरह धीरे धीरे उतार के लिटिल जस्ट वेट योर हैंड्स लिटिल बिट एंड स्क्रब सर्कुलर मोशन आप करते रहिए एंड इट एक्ट एज अ स्क्रब. सो आपको कोई एडिशनल स्क्रब यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो हमने बादाम इसके अंदर कूट के डाले थे, दैट्स गोना एक्ट एज अ स्क्रब. सो उसके बाद आप आराम से या तो मिल्क से वॉश कर सकते हैं, पानी से धो सकते हैं, एंड उसके बाद आप अपना गुलाब जल लगा के, एक अच्छा सा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा के, यू डन फॉर द डे. सॉर्टेड. आपका स्किन ऐसे ग्लो करने वाली है कि मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ.
Today I'm here and I'm going to be telling you about this amazing magical face pack which I use to kind of detan my 4 shades darker. And though I love any color on me, be it fair, be it tanned or anything, I think it was not very good for my mom to see me like that. So there is this face pack that I always try, which I think is great for exfoliating as well as taking off your you know, tan if you mind the tan. So here goes. I have coffee with me. You can get this ready-made coffee of any brand that you like, and then I have honey. You can have organic honey as and how you wish. So what I'm going to be doing is just put this here and then mix it with honey. Now basically coffee is just great because it's got these amazing granules which kind of exfoliates your skin, and it's also not very rough. Also when you apply it, you have to do that very gently. So don't underestimate the granules of coffee. I'm going to just keep this here. Okay, now as you can see this, now this I just have honey with coffee. You can also add a little bit of water to it, cold or warm or whatever it is. Don't actually add warm because then it's just going to melt. So ye dekho. Now I generally use it just the way it is, and all you have to do is very gently scrub it on the parts that you feel that the tan should be not there. As simple as that. Also, honey is great for moisturizing your skin. It's one of the most natural ways to moisturize your skin. Also, see, the coffee also just kind of अपना एक रंग छोड़ जाती है, and you have to just keep scrubbing it nicely and gently. Also, this face pack just kind of smells great. You can use it on your entire body. आजकल तो market में काफ़ी coffee scrubs भी मिलते हैं for your for body scrubs and stuff like that. But I think everything is just available at your home, so then why just go and buy them? It's just a little bit of mixing honey and coffee together. That's about it. And now I cannot show you the texture of this, but I need a tissue right now. Wait. Also, the first rule of detanning is please do not use hot water or warm water on your skin. If you tan, that means some part of your skin is little burnt. So, it's always better that you do it with cold water or normal water. So, I generally wash off this pack with cold water and it gives amazing effect. Also, this pack is just great for your entire body. I mean, I do it every week. And also, what happens is, for tanning, this is great, but don't use it like daily. Use it like, एक 3-4 दिन में एक बारी या कुछ. So yeah, this is a very, very fun and very simple face pack, as well as a body scrub. And coffee, like I told you, you can buy any coffee of your own choice. Just make sure that the granules are nice and big, because more the granules, I think more you are going to exfoliate. And honey तो कोई भी ले सकते हैं. And put a little bit of water and just nicely apply it.
So the very first mask that I'm making right now is the green tea, yogurt and honey mask. Now the green tea, as we all know, has anti-inflammatory properties, which is why we're going to be using this for all of the masks, because they help kind of combat acne, pimples and also reduces scarring. So that's like a great thing to go about with. And for this mask, we need the green tea to kind of be a little bit moist. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the green tea bag, soak it in water, just make your regular green tea, drink the water if you want to, and then we're going to use that leftover bag. So what you need to do with this green tea bag is slit it open now, take out all the ingredients, which is like the magic hero of this mask. So to this green tea, now I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of yogurt into it. Now yogurt is extremely good for the skin because it tightens the skin and it also kind of helps in reducing enlarged open pores. So big thumbs up for that. To the yogurt and the green tea mixture, I'm going to add about a spoon of honey. Now honey is also going to add a little bit of texture to this mask, so as when you apply, it kind of is not super liquidy or super thick. And what honey does, it soothes the skin, it hydrates the skin, and it also deeply nourishes and moistens the skin up. So which is why we're going to use honey, yogurt and green tea. Now after we've taken all these 3 ingredients, we're going to mix it up really, really well. And after mixing it up well, we're going to use a brush. You could also use your hand, but make sure that your hands are clean because we don't want to touch our face with any germs on the hands. So clean hands or maybe even a brush is great to kind of apply it all over your face. Done, done, done. Leave it on for about good 15 minutes or actually even 20 minutes. Like just let it dry on your face. And once this does dry out, you can actually scrub this away as well if you want to. Or you can just simply rinse off your face, apply some moisturizer and you're done.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.